Chief Kingsley is someone that is has shown commitment to friendship, to loyalty, to relationship. Over the years, we have had interactions, and is someone that I respect so much. Despite his age, he has helped me not just as a brother, as a friend, but as someone that is a confidant. There are a lot of things that he shares with me, and I feel beholden to him. I feel part of all of this, and as someone who has been, in Ekiti, who has been integrated here, it is more than like an homecoming for me. So this is part and parcel. As I told him earlier, is Iwuye. I have 10% ownership of the chieftaincy, and that's why I'm dressed like this today. It's just to show that no matter where you have been, home always is home. My father is from Ogun State, Yewa North local government of Ogun State. Igorokoto is the name of the town. So this is the blessing of my forefathers, and I decided to identify with them because this is a special occasion, an occasion that has traditional intonation. So this is my tradition, and I decided to represent it today. I'm sure Ekiti and Oku, there's kindred spirit. It's also Yoruba land, and Yoruba, the culture, the tradition is not that much dispersed. It's not that much differentiated. That is why I feel very comfortable. And everybody who has seen me today have said, I am going to copy you, I'm going to do this. And that is why, culture is an assimilation. And I'm here to represent that culture. And I'm happy that everybody who has seen it today feel part of this. And everybody wants to be this. Next time, don't be surprised that a lot of Ekiti people will dress this way.
It's a socialite. Ade is a socialite. He's a jolly good fellow. He's generous to a fault, and he has a progressive mindset. So, a friend of ours, the daughter of the Countess of Isaac, I'm sure recommended him for that chieftaincy. Princess Ajeteju Ogunmiloyo, and the whole town, his father and the whole town took him to God. And I'm sure by what you can see today, they are not regretting it, and I know they will not regret it. Because I know that they will attract a lot of development and progress to accept that town.
The High Chief Kingsley Ogunmiloyo is so an important person to me, for the fact that he happened to be my childhood friend, and he happened to be my friend, so close friend, real friend, that believe I don't pack much friends. I select people. Ade happened to be a kind of friend that could go extra mile to displease himself and to please you. The position I found myself today, I cannot quantify all his contributions to whatever success or to whatever position. And then some people even thought that he was wrong. Representing them, the way he is, the way he spends, the way he does something. There's a friend, and a friend indeed. We are looking at it for the first time. He ever and everything will endear you to him. So it's a wonderful party. Everybody will always like to meet.
Chief Ogunmiloyo has been my friend for 41 years. Ade is such a wonderful person. He can do this. In fact, he has been doing this for a lot of friends. So we came together. As you can see, we have a group of about 150 members, and all of them were willing to support him because he is always supportive. The chieftaincy from Isaac community is a show of appreciation for what he has been doing to the community, and also to Ado Ekiti. And anywhere he sees sons and daughters, anywhere in the world, he always shows that love and extend a hand of fellowship to them. So that is who Ade is. He's a friend to everybody. I've not seen anybody that says something negative about him. I'm the Saduran friend. I'm a schoolmate. And we've been together for more than 40 years. He's a great guy. I don't know a politician yet. You can see the number of people that are rallying around him. Both from politics, from civil service, and from even private sector. Ade is fantastic. Ade is wonderful. I've known Ade since the day of high school. We were in high school since 1980. And I've known Ade since 1980. What I've done is that I've known Ade for 40 years. Ade has been a fantastic person, a honest person, a guy that you can call a friend, and will stand indeed as a good friend. The celebrant of today, the new chief Abobari of Iwuye, is a well-known person to us, particularly most of us in government, and he's a very nice man. So that is why we are here to celebrate. It's the personality of the celebrant. He's such a nice guy, and it's like a brother to me. So he's a chieftaincy title celebration. Since he has invited us, we have to honor him. And it's a honor to be given. To give a chieftaincy title is a honor. And you can see the area of people here. It means that he must have been a nice person. So, and I'm very sure that he's a nice person. That's why we are here. I'm here to celebrate with my friend and my brother. It's like my beloved partner, a good man of valor, virtue and valor, Kingsley Ogunmiloyo, who was installed today by the other. I said that as the Abobari of Iwuye. He's a man that is full of respect. In fact, a man, if you are to be a woman, that we call her with care, that someone has been loved by everybody. And you can see his story at the palace, and even come to the center and see how many people have been flocking after him. They came from all over Nigeria and even outside of Nigeria to celebrate this man of great importance, of great event. And that's why we are here today, and that's why we are here to celebrate him. I respect him a lot. I give him regard a lot. He's a wonderful man. Ade is a good man. He's a calm piece, and he will remain a calm piece. And I love him. I love him so much. As Ade Ogunmiloyo, now chief of Abobari of Iwuye, he's a socialite to the core. A true son of the soil, a proud alumnus of the great high school. I wasn't fortunate to be one, and he's somebody who puts himself into the benefit of people. That's how you see this kind of thing. So whoever sees this kind of thing should not be surprised. It's not a good man. It's very, not for me. Not for a long time. And I've been in a position to say not think about it. And I think it's they are all engaged to take friends and to keep them. And they somebody, it's one person who can be friends with everything and tries to manage them. I think it's very, very young. And I believe very strongly that was having friends because of community to take in their properties. You understand? And I believe very strongly that you were
Chief Barrister Ogunmiloyo is a good friend of ours. He's a brother and he's a committed Ekiti man. He loves the growth and development. He loves human development and he loves capital growth.
That's why you can see the people that are here. He's our younger brother. But we love him. We love him so much. He's so passionate about Ekiti and Ado as a whole. That's why you have seen us here.
This newly installed chief
is someone that has been known for a long time. I've known him for a long time. Even in our childhood, we grew up together. We live in the same compound. After a very long time that we departed, we met maybe 5 years ago when I got to Ekiti. We just met, and since that time he has used to ask about my welfare. He merits it. Even I wish him even more than that, more trophies. I wish that he will still receive it, because he's someone that cares for another person. He always loves the progress. He enjoys that people make progress, and he will always contribute to the progress of another. So, and you can see that if there is anyone that is doing that, God will always breathe onto that person. And I pray that God will breathe onto him. It's small, is what he has seen.
Chief is a wonderful person, a fantastic person. As you can see today, that everybody here today has come to honor our brother, Barrister Kingsley Ogunmiloyo. He's a wonderful person, a fantastic person, a down-to-earth person. He's ready to lift other people up, and that's what you can see of him. In summary, it's extremely wonderful.